Okay, don't mind the head. It's just a little cold in my house. Okay, so you're gonna want to go to payments, products, create a product, and then I'm going to show you. Let's see here. Da-da-da. Okay, this is a product that is not attached to anything. It's not a freebie, and it is by email. So that's where I feel you need. So here we go. Um, Click this if you want this on the online store. If not, don't click it. On the title, I do put a image there. This started being just we don't collect text, but either is fine. Prices, this is where you put your price. Let me show you. So this is a digital product. I don't know why it was like that, but on the social start, so I have two tiers to this, like two prices. And make sure if it's a one time or if it's reoccurring. And if it is reoccurring, then there's all these questions too. Okay, so one time. I'm not going to save it. So, and then you put in the price and digital. Okay, so show you, and then this is the second tier of it. So it's just a one time. So it's that's how we do that. And digital product is fine. If hold on, if it's a digital product, you now so that you guys can know this. Let's go down. You can now add. Where did it go? Hold on. No. Additional. No. Okay, so digital product. If you click digital product, you can upload files here to deliver them to users post checkout. So you would just click here and then add your product that you have, if that's how you want to do it. Like this. Now, some people want to send it by email, so that is perfectly fine as well. Okay, users can download these files on the checkout page and will receive an email as well. So this is beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, I just don't have a digital. It's just for them to fill out a form. So, all right, so there we go. I'm going to save that because I digital. Okay, so now we have the product made and we are going to go to automation. Actually, nope, we are going to go to sites, sales page, make sure you have that, products. Let's see here. Okay, so I think it's underneath my other products right here. Okay. Da, 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 two. I need to clean up some things. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so I have the page and I'm going to show you. We're going to go edit. Okay, so product, all the stuff. And then what I have on this page is buttons. So they go to a separate page because there's two tiers. So let's just pretend just one. But if you don't have two tiers, what you do is you come up here to the plus, add elements, and it is all the way down on the bottom, one step order. Like if I just had a product, it would just be a one-step order, and there you go. And then you would fill out this info most in the advanced, and like you would take out the shipping and the company, and it's just like you'll just go through all this. Like hide the company name. This you would change. And then the phone number, unless you need the phone number, take that out. Okay. And then they have some questions here: enable cart mode, pricing info. If you have an order bump, you have to learn how to set it up before you do that. They won't just do an order bump right here. So, and then enable coupon codes. Yeah. And so there is that. So I'm going to take that out. Um, but I'm not going to save it because I don't want to mess it up. All right. So then, yes, I do not want to save those. Okay. So then I have a page for like each one. Let's just go to this one. I know you probably don't need to see all this, but if you want to go from one page to like a separate sales page, that's perfectly fine as well. So this one I just have what it has, and then the payment form right here. And that is exactly what I added, the one step down here. Okay. So just make sure all the buttons get attached to that. And and when I say all the buttons, I mean all the buttons in the sales page. So that way it goes to the one step order. Okay. And then the one step order complete form on the payment needs to go to your next step. And the next step would be the confirmation. And we're going to open this up. Okay. So here's your order confirmation. And this was an older one. So, and this isn't really much to do with my Canva. So I don't have them going to my Facebook group or anything like that. So, because they're usually in there already. So, yeah, this right here, this where it says congratulations, you add it over here, add elements, and it's at the same place where the one step is. So it's an order confirmation. So you just add that in. Okay. All right. We're going to go out. So you can, of course, have, your sales page, your confirmation thank you page, and then an upsell, of course. But the upsell before the thank you. So, and then products, I'll show you right here. Products. Oh, wait, no. Okay. You would add your product to this page if you are only doing one page. Now, the product, and that's why I separated it, because they have two prices and I didn't want people to get confused. So I have a page for each product. So 27, 27. The visual, and then I add the product 67, 67. Okay. And then the confirmation does not have the products, of course. Okay. So there's that. Now, um, let's see here. Don't think there's anything here that you need to learn about. Let's see here. I'm just trying to think about another product I have. Um, yeah. Okay. So You've done the payment, set up the product, okay? And then you've set up the site, added the product. Now the automation of the workflow. Okay, so my social ease right here. Now I'll show you. So I have order form, and it says in the funnel what it is and what the page is, and then submission. I did both payment, like I did it with the payment received with the 27, and they both worked. So either way is fine. Order form submission or payment received. I always make sure that is an excess payment, success, because if they're just go on there, and sometimes there was really weird. A couple, I mean, during the summer, it was like people were getting things and they weren't going, like it wasn't a sale. So I make sure I always put a success in there. Okay. And then always the internal notification if you want, add a tag, add the email welcome, and then after they're done, they get the email list tag. Um, I do not have I do not have like an email um, blast for them because what it is I am just giving them, I'll show you here. The welcome email is their product that they bought. It's actually a service. So I just have what it is right here, and that is it. That is how I deliver this product. They fill out the form. I get a notification when they fill out the form, and that's through Google. So and then we're done. So and then I do the product. So um, this is a real simple product that you deliver by email. Um, let's see here. So I'm going to go back. So you want to set up the payment. You want to set up the payment, set up your sales page, have the one step, and then a order confirmation on the thank you page. And then you want to do the automation, and that's the triggers, a order form submission or payment received or both. Um, if you have two products, but either one of those works. Order form submission, I feel is better, um, just because the form, the one step form, but it's perfectly fine. Um, I haven't come across any issues with it. If I do, I won't. I wouldn't recommend it, but I haven't found any issues yet. So, anywho, so you got the automation. The trigger is the payment. Then you want to give them a tag, and then you also want to send them the email with the product in it. And then if you have more emails to send to them, set it up in the workflow. And and then what you do here when you're setting them up, let's go to automation. You would set them up as templates, of course, but in the social ease right here, I'll show you. You can just attach the templates right here. Okay. And it shows me all my templates. I just have to pick which one. Always save, save, save. Okay. So you should be able to get that product up, a paid product sent by email, um, payment, site, automation, and emails, of course. Okay. All right.